So something has come to my attention that I think we need to address now. We need to stop this before it goes any further. Mostly because I have found now that some of our viewers and some of DD Speed Shop's viewers don't know how to take a joke. So Dan and I have been going back and forth a little bit, some tongue-in-cheek ribbing. I said that he stole my watch. He didn't really steal my watch. I said something along the lines of, you can't trust Canadians. That's not true. First off, I have a very warm spot in my heart for Canadians and all things Canadian. I love their bacon. I love the frozen tundra. I even feel bad about us having to nuke them back during the Korean War. It's terrible, but they had it coming. I have a great relationship with Canadians. I love Canadians. I respect Canadians. Except that clown you got running the place. There's something wrong with him. Dan and I are friends. We're friends in real life. We joke back and forth. As you can see in this picture, we've even had, like, we eat together. You know, we're good friends. I've been on his channel, you know, sub to his channel. I was his first subscriber. Before he even put his first video up, I had subscribed. We've had Canadians here. I didn't do anything after they left. I didn't even check after they left because I trust them. I trust Canadians. Even Peg from Zip Ties and Bias Plies was here. I love him. I love Dan. I love Danny. I love all Canadians and all Canadian things. Flag's a little funny, right? And Dan has inspired me. I've done things because of Dan. Slaghammer is the perfect example. I only did the two-door conversion on this car because this was originally a four-door. I only did the two-door conversion because I was inspired by Dan. Look how nice this came. It's amazing. I'm not going to let that stop now either. I think just to solidify our relationship, so that to bring not only Dan and I closer together, but our nations closer together. Let's not have a repeat of that list. I have decided that even though we're a Mopar-centric channel, we do mostly Mopar stuff. Everything is Mopar, right? I've decided that in honor of DD Speed Shop, and especially my beloved friend, Dan, now I am going to break the mold and do a project specifically dedicated to him. So over the last couple of days, I did some hunting, went on Marketplace, and I located a really rough 55 Bel Aire wagon. It's, well, I've got it right here. It needs a lot of work, but it's pretty typical of what I've seen Dan start with. And from this, over the next several years, I am going to craft a 55 Bel Aire wagon. Then I'm going to convert it to two-door and clone a Nomad out of it. And then I'm going to return it back to its basic elements. Just, you know, the full circle of life. You know, that full circle of friendship and love that binds us together. So here it is. We're going to get started on this, I don't know, over the next several months. We'll probably get things sorted out, figure out what parts we actually got. You know, I mean, Dan is really good at this stuff. Me, not so much, you know. So, but that's it, guys. Seriously. You know, we're just joking back and forth, right? Maybe like a little clickbaity, you know, that kind of stuff. It's just YouTube buddies having fun. So, that's it. I got to get back to work. I'll see you tomorrow.